Hello children, welcome to today's session Nana. Children, in yesterday's session we learned how to tell the time. Okay, hope you understood Nana. Today we are going to do exercises in your textbook. Before going to that, we'll check the time in our clock Nana. This is a wall clock. Okay, in this clock now what's the time it's showing Nana? See, this is called the shorthand, hours hand. This is called the long hand. Long hand means minutes hand. This another hand, this is moving very fast. Now what we call this? What we call this? Nana, seconds hands. See, it's moving very fast. Okay, if the seconds hands moves from year to year, it will take one round. Na, that is called 1 minute. Means this minute hands is moves from this. Here one lines are there na, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. If one time the second hand moves from year to year, then the minute hand moves from year to year. So it will take 1 minute. Okay. If the minute hand is moves from year to year, then it will be 5 minutes. 5. Year to year 10. Year 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 60 means, I told na, 60 means 0, 0, okay? Okay, now what is the time in this clock? What's the time now it's showing? Which time it's showing? Hours hand is on 9. Long hand is on near to 10. Means it's almost 5 after 6, 7, 8. And after 9, 10. Means 9, 8. 9, 8. Then if it comes to here na, then 9, 10 we call. How we'll write? 9, 10 means how we'll write? 9 colon 1, 0, 10. Okay? Okay? Then if the hours hand comes here, then minutes hand will be here, then it will be 10. Now slowly it's moving na, slowly it's, if the seconds hand takes one round, then it's moving. If the minute hand starts from here and it takes total one round na, then it will we call 60 minutes, means 1 hour. It will take 1 hour to move this long hand from year to year, means 60 minutes means 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. See, now slowly it's moving. If the second hands will take one round na, then it's moving one step, 5 to 6, 1 minute. 1 minute it moving, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Then now it will comes to 9 to 10. Second hand is going to complete a round. When it comes to year na, then this long hand moves to year 10. Yes. Now what is the time? Tell me. 9, 10. 9, 10. 9, 10 means hour, 9 o'clock. It's a 9, 10. Okay, like that you should say the time none. Okay. Now coming to your exercises. Take out your textbook and open the page number 112. Okay, 112. Open the page number 112. Here, exercise 3.4. Okay. In every bit, I'll explain you one, Nana. You have to do remaining. Here only we'll have two, na. We'll do this. If any 4, 5, 6 are there, na, then in that we'll do 1 or 2. Remaining you have to do the practice work. Okay. Write the time in hours. Show by these clock. One has been done as an example. See. The short hand is on 9. Long hand is on 12. Just now we discussed na, short hand is unknown. If the long hand is here, then what is the time now? 9 o'clock. Yes. Then slowly it is moving. Then if it comes to here, 9:15. Then it comes to here 9:30. Means half past 9. If it is here, 9:15. Then if it is here, 9:45, like that. Okay. Yes. Now come to here. In this clock, now short hand is on 9, long hand is on 0. Now what is the time? 9 o'clock or 9:00. 00 I told you na, means 9 o'clock. Now come to here. Where is the short hand? Short hand is on 5, long hand is on 12, means 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, CLOCK, or 5:00. This colon separates hours and minutes. Okay. Same like that, one more is also there. Now short hand is on 2, long hand is on 12, means 00. Here means 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means 2 o'clock. Okay. Now next, this is a 3.4 Nana. Next move on to 3.5. Here you will be having 2 bits in 3.5. Write the time shown on the clock face. Use quarter past or half past. Okay, we have to use here quarter past or half past. We already discussed na. Now where is the short hand? Short hand is slowly crossing 12, means it's already quarter past na. That's why slowly it's moving, means we'll take it as 12 only. 12 means quarter past 12 and 12:15 means quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. 12. 12. Okay. Quarter past 12. Then here half past, already half past 1. It's 1 already, it's half past now. Then slowly it's moving from here. Then is the minutes hand comes here na, then it comes to here. Then if the minutes and slowly it moves to 2. Yes, now half past 1. Half past 1. What's the time now? Half past. Half of the watch. It's finished 30 minutes now. That's why half past 1. 1 o'clock now. Then we say half past 1. Okay, then turn the page. Now turn the page to 114. Draw the hands. What's this? Draw the hands on the clock face to show time. Okay, here time is 6:15. We have to draw the short hand and long hand here also. Okay, we'll do 1-1 Nana. In each bit we'll do 1-1. Here first one, if you'll be confusion na, first you should keep in the center, you should keep one dot, then you start. First what is the time now? 6. So where we should draw 6:15 means slowly it moves na. See, look here. Now it's a quarter past 9 means this short hand is also slowly moving na. If the minutes hand moves like this side, then the hours hand moves slowly this side. 45 to 46, 47, 48. At a time it will not move, slowly it moves. Depends on this. If it is 9:15, then 40, it's near to 46. Then if it comes to half past 9, then it's our hand should be like this. Then like that you should draw here. Okay. Then it's a 6:15 means 6. Where is 6? Not. If it is 6, then exactly 6 will draw. But now slightly it's moved na, because like this. This is a short hand. Long hand is where? 15 means exactly to 3. 6:15. Okay. Now like that also you have to draw these two Nana. Okay. Try to draw. This is a 5:30. So shorthand should be slightly moves from 5 to here, and then long hand is on 6. Okay. Then here 9:45 means quarter to 10. Then in the center you should keep 9. Means 9:45 means it's already quarter to 10. Means it's almost near to 10, Nana. Near to 10. Shorthand means not exactly to 10. It's almost near to 10. Long hand is on here. Okay, means now quarter to 10. Okay. Like this, you try this, Nana. Quarter past 8. Quarter past 8 means 8:15. 8:15. Here I'll draw. You try now this. Okay. Now 4:30. First you write down. If you have any confusion, 4:30 means half of the watch, means 4:30 means 4:30. Okay. 10:30. 10:30. 7:15. Okay. Okay. See, quarter to the hour. Quarter to the hour I will show when the minute hand is on 9. There is still 15 minutes to reach the next hour. Okay. If suppose minutes, this long hand is here. If it is 15 minutes to reach the hour, that time we call quarter to. Okay. The time is now here. See. It's already shorthand is already moved from here. Long hand is on now. Means quarter to, it's near to 3 now. If the long hand moves more quarter, then the time will be 3. That's why we'll say quarter to 3. Quarter to 3. Yes. After that, next step, it moves from here to then it will be 3. That's why quarter to 3. More quarter to move. If it moves more quarter, then the time will be 3. Okay. See. Now the time is 10:45. 10:45 means quarter to 11. It's near to 11. If the minute hands moves more quarter, then the time will be 11. A quarter to 11. This, see, the time is on 5:45. 5:45 means it's almost here. If the minute hand moves more quarter, more 15 minutes, then it will be 6 o'clock. That's why we say quarter to 6. Okay. Write the time shown on the clock. Okay. Should write the time. Which time it's showing? See. See, it's 4. It's past 3. From here, slowly it's moving, and it's near. It is near 9. Means 3:45. 3:45 means what? If the minute hand moves more 15 minutes, that our hand will be comes to here. Then the time will be 4. Yes, 4. Means we'll write, how we'll write? 3:45 or a quarter to 4. A quarter to 4. This same like that you have to practice this. No, these two. Here in this, what is the time it's showing? Quarter past 11. 11:15. 11:15. 5, 10, 15. Yes, 15. Or quarter past 11. Quarter past 11. A quarter past 11. ELEVEN. 11. Okay. These you should practice, Nana. Here draw the hands on the clock to show the time. Same here also you have to draw the one I'll show, Nana. Means it's 12, na. Short hand should be here. Long hand should be on 15. 12:15. You have to practice these two. It's very easy, Nana. These are all very easy. Practice all these. 6, exactly 6. This is very easy. Quarter to 4 means 4:45. So sorry, 3:45. 3:45. If it is 3:45 means more 15 minutes to 4 means quarter to 4. 9 o'clock. Exactly 9 o'clock. It's 2:45. A quarter past 2 means quarter past 2 means what? Quarter past 2 means 2:15. Half past 1 means 1:30. 2:15. This is 1:30. Yes, 1:30. Like this you have to practice 1:30. Yes. Okay. This we already discussed, Nana, about seconds hands. Yes, 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Means this second hands takes one complete round from, see, it is when it comes to here, na, see. If the second hand starts from here and it will take complete round, na, the minute hand moves 1 minute. So 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Next, if the minute hands takes one complete round means 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Okay. Usually this second hands will use in athletics, Nana, when competitions, at the time of competitions will use. Here exercise 3.7 is there, Nana. Time is measured by what? Time. How you will show time? Using clock. Yes, CLOCK, clock. Okay. The shorter hand indicates hours. HOURS, hours. Okay. The long hand indicates what? Tell me. Minutes. You have to do this, Nana. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in the next session, Nana. Okay. The longer hand indicates minutes. In one day there are dash hours. One day means 24 hours. 24 hours. Yes. And complete day means 24 hours. Per day we'll be having 24 hours. Okay. 1 hour has dash minutes. Just now we discussed, na, 60 minutes. Yes. The longer hand indicates minutes. Yes. In one day we'll be having 24 hours. 24 hours means one day. 1 hour has how many minutes? 60 minutes. Each period in school for how much time? Suppose if we'll take 30 minutes, 30 minutes will take. If you'll be having 30 minutes, 30 minutes class. You are in school from dash in the morning till dash in the afternoon. Our school timings are 9 to 3. 9 a.m. to a.m. means morning hours will calculate before 12. Nana, morning before 12 o'clock we'll say a.m. After 12 o'clock we'll say p.m. That you learn in the next classes, Nana. 3 p.m. Okay. How long you are in school? How many hours? Means how many hours, Nana? 9 to 3? 9 to 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Means 6 hours. Yes, 6 hours. And dash minutes, 0 minutes. Nothing, 0 minutes, na? Exactly 3 o'clock, na? If it be, suppose if we'll write 45 means 6 hours 45 minutes. Like that, okay? Then we'll write 45 here. Then it will be easy to understand. 3:45, na, means 6 hours 45 minutes. Yes, 9 to 3, how many? 9 o'clock if you'll say, na? 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours 45 minutes. Yes. How many minutes do you take to finish your lunch? Lunch break, how much time you'll get? 30 minutes. You'll take 30 minutes. Yes. How many hours of sleep do you get in one day? How many hours you'll sleep? 8 hours or 9 hours? Yes, 9 hours or 8 hours. These are very different, Nana, because you will get confusion. That's why I am explaining now only. The walk to the park takes 20 minutes. Suppose if you walk from your house to park 20 minutes. How long will it take to walk there and back? How long it will take? Think and tell me. Yes. Yes, now you got it. For going it will take 20 minutes. Same while coming back also it will take 20 minutes. Means total 40 minutes. Yes. From your house to park it will take 20 minutes to walk, Nana. Okay, then how long will it take to walk there and back? For going if it takes 20 minutes, coming back also it will take 20 more minutes. Means total 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes. Yes. If you have 2 periods on Wednesday for maths lab, how long do you spend in the lab? Huh? If you have 2 periods on Wednesday for math lab, how long do you? This will be depends upon. Look at the answer for 6th question to this. 6. Each period in school is 30 minutes. So our period time is 30 minutes. Our period time is 30 minutes. So depends upon this only. This 30 minutes only we should. If you have 2 periods on Wednesday, 2 means 30 plus 30 minutes 60. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Wednesday for maths lab. How long do you spend in the lab? Means 1 hour. If it takes 30 minutes for one class, then 2 classes means 2 means 60 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. Yes. If you have 2 periods on Wednesday for maths lab, how long you will spend? 2 periods means 1 period 30 minutes, then 2 periods 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. One more thing, Nana, I will give the project work for math day after tomorrow, that I will give you. And here one more is do think and try to answer this. I will send the answers again. Okay. Okay, children, take care. Bye.